One day, all the gods of the animal kingdom gathered for a grand celebration. Deep in the dense jungles of the southern lands, laughter echoed beneath golden canopies, winged deities danced with lion-headed kings. And the air pulsed with divine joy. Passing silently through the trees came the god of death, cloaked in mist and shadow. His presence hushed the party, but his eyes, they were fixed not on the gods, but on a tiny sparrow loitering near the feast. The little sparrow saw those eyes, and fear clutched his heart. With trembling wings, he flew to the god of birds. As sparrow, soft, high-pitched, he looked at me, the sparrow chirped. I am afraid. As god of birds, warm, majestic, come, said the god of birds, hop on my back. I shall carry you far away, to the mountains of the north, there, you will be safe. And so, they rose into the skies, over rivers, over forests. Through clouds that kissed mountaintops, the sparrow nestled into the feathers of the divine, until they reached the cold, silent peaks, where snowflakes whispered secrets in the wind. When the god of birds returned, his wings beat with fury, he faced the god of death and cried, "Why did you look upon the poor sparrow so? You frightened him." The god of death met his gaze and sighed. His voice echoed across time and leaves. It was not malice, according to what is already written, the sparrow was fated to die in the mountains of the far north. By the end of this day, I was merely wondering how he would get there. I was merely wondering how he would get there. I was merely wondering how he would get there.